There were 9 dogs who went out hunting. They hunted for hours and hours and hours and never caught anything at all. And there was a lion who was out hunting at the same time. And the lion had an equal amount of success, none. The lion met the 9 dogs. And the lion said to the dogs, "Look, we've not been successful apart. Why don't we join together and hunt together? Perhaps we'll be more successful then." The dogs agreed. And together the 9 dogs and the lion caught 10 antelope. They were very successful. Well, when the day's hunting was done, the lion turned to the dogs and said, "We have a very difficult problem here. How do we divide the antelope that we have killed up?" And the lead dog said, "Well, it isn't that complicated in my view. You see, there are 9 of us and you, that makes 10. And there are 10 antelope. Why don't we each take 1 antelope?" The lion turned to the lead dog and with one of his giant paws lashed him, blinded him. Then the lion said, "Does anyone else have a better idea?" Another of the dogs thought a moment and then said, "Yes, dear lion, I think I have just the solution. You see, there are 9 of us, and if we take 1 antelope, that will make 10. And there's 1 of you, and if you take 9 antelope, that will make 10 too. So why don't you take 9 antelope and we'll just take the 1. What do you think of that idea?" The lion looked at the dog and said, "Yes, I think that is the most wise solution. Where did you come by such great wisdom?" And the dog who had found the solution said, "It came to me in a flash when you struck my brother dog."